my name is Aman and I am working as a Salesforce developer. From the last 2.5 years, I am 5x Salesforce certified and 2x Popedo certified. I am also a Salesforce trainer as well as I am also a Salesforce mentor to provide guidance. So, in the series of flows learning, we will discuss about our next example that how to send an notification to the lead owner automatically after the 2 days or after the 3 days. That means that if the lead record is created today and after 2 days of today's, if the lead status is not changed, like from opened not contacted to the contacted, then automatically it will send an email to the particular lead owner, and we are using flow to send email for a for a particular user. So first we will discuss about that how to create an email template and how can we customize this email template according to this particular requirement. So let's discuss. We need to find email template from the quick find box. So we need to search email template in the quick find box and click on the classic email template. And here we need to create new template. But I have already created this template. That is, a lead status is not updated. So I will open this email template for you, that I have created this email template where you will find that it is a subject and it is a HTML preview. Like, this preview is written in the form of HTML and this preview is written in the form of text preview. I will take an example, or I will show you that how it is possible, that if I taken an example like edit HTML version. So you see that if I will not add this BR tag, if I will remove this tag from here, and if I will preview to this particular email template, then the view of this email template is like this, like hi lead owner, and this line will be in the same line, not in a separate line, but it is showing in the same line. But it is very bad, so that we are using our custom CSS to make our customized email template. So I will write again BR tag. And after that, if you see this email, like, this line will be in a separate line. So this is a beauty of the classic email template or the custom email template. And after that, if I save this and if I edit text version, so this is the text preview, means after sending an email, how the email looks like. So this type of email you will see in your email ID whenever you will receive an email. So you can copy this email from the HTML version. So if I click on the copy from the HTML version, then it will copy of all the context from the HTML version and save it. So this is an email template which we have used in a flow to send an email notification for the particular lead owner. So let's move to the flow part. The flow we have already discussed in the previous videos, that how can we create flows or where we need to find the flows. So I will directly go to the new flow, and earlier we have discussed about the record triggered flows. Means whenever the record is created or whenever the record is updated, at that time this flow will run automatically, or this flow will run trigger. But this time we will see the scheduled trigger flow. It means if you want this flow will run at this particular time, then this flow will run on a particular time or on a given time. Like if you want to run this flow on Monday 12 p.m. so that you can use scheduled trigger flow, and I will show you that how it is possible to run this flow on a daily basis or a monthly basis or a weekly basis. So I will select scheduled trigger flow and click on the create button. So you will see this type of screen. You will see this type of screen. So here you will edit. Just click on this icon and click on the edit button. Here you can select the start date and the start time. Like at what date or at what time you will be start this flow to run. And after that, you can select the frequency of this particular flow, like a once or a daily or a weekly. Once in the sense you can run this flow only at a single time, and daily means you can run this flow in a daily basis at a particular time. Means if you want to run this flow at a 12 a.m., so this flow will run automatically daily at 12 a.m. And if you want to run this flow on a weekly, then you can, then this flow will run on a weekly at 12 a.m. And after that, we will need to send the lead owner to the email notification that first of all, we need to get all the lead records. So I have used the get record element where I am getting the all the lead records where status is open, not contacted. I will get all records. And after that, I will check that today's date means today is a Monday, today is a Tuesday, today is a Wednesday, or anything else. Because we want to exclude the weekend in this particular scheduled flow. So I will show you that how can exclude the weekend in a flow. So this is a variable which I have created for excluding the weekends. So weekday is a function and today is the today's date, where today will return today's date, and weekday is a function. uh, Based on the weekday we will get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday in the form of numbers, like in the form of numbers like in 1 is the Sunday and 7 is the Saturday and 2 is the Monday. So we can get the weekday in the form of numbers. Just click on done. But before that, we need to select the data type. The data type is a number, and we also select the decimal places because this is a number where we need to find the weekdays. So we don't need to add decimal places. So just add 0 and after that, just click on the check syntax. The syntax is valid. Just click on done. And this is a decision element where you will check that today is the weekday or not. So I'm checking that today is a weekend or not. So today date is my variable and I'm just checking that today date is equal to the 1. Means if according to today date, if the today date will return 2, then it means today is Monday. And if it will return 3, then it is Tuesday. So we are checking that today's date is equal to 1 or today's date is equal to 7. We are adding or condition means that if this condition is true or if this condition is true. So just click on done, and if today is no weekend means today is a weekday. So then it will send an email, or before that we are using the loop variable to iterate all the records which we are fetching by using the get records. So and iterate all the records in a loop one by one. And after that, it will send an email to the particular lead owner one by one. And if today is a weekend, then it will go in the default outcome and it will go outside in the flow. After that, I will save this flow and I will debug this flow. Then if I run this flow, then it will go in the default outcome. That means it is getting the records, but in the decision element that we are checking that today's date is Sunday or Saturday. But today is not a Sunday, neither a Saturday. So that's why it is going to the default outcome. But if you want to debug this flow again, and if you want to show the output, then I will need to change some specifications. I will just change does not equal and does not equal. Just click on done and click on the save button. Just click on debug again and click run again. Then you will check that first it will go on this first element, that is get all the lead records. So it will find all the lead record where status is open contacted. After that, it will go to the decision element where it will check that today is a weekend or not. We have already given the false condition, so it will, or every time it will enter in this particular condition, and after that it will iterate the loop one by one. Like there are four conditions, like there are four records, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and current iteration item, that is the first record, and when it is entering in the first record, it will send an email to the first record, then again it will go to the checking element, and it will again send an email to the second record, and again it will go for this particular loop iteration, and it will send again third element, and it will send again fourth record. And after that, whenever this will not found any record, like if you can see on the fifth time, you will find this will not find any record. So it will just enter outside the loop. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have good understanding that how to send an email or how to send a notification to the lead owner by using the scheduled flow. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more flow scenarios, then please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you. We will see you again in the next video.